Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is Life with Amber. So today guys, we're making walnut and chocolate chip cookies in less than 30 minutes. This is my go-to recipe, especially if I'm pressed for time but I want something sweet. This is it. And the key is using cake mix. So sometimes I have cake mix in my pantry and I don't necessarily want to make a full-blown cake. This is the go-to. I'm using walnuts and both white chocolate and milk chocolate chips because that's what I had, and so I'm just using it today. And then also you need your 2 eggs, butter, and the cake mix. I'm using yellow cake mix this time, but you can also use any other kind of cake mix flavor that you want, and you can also add any other ingredients inside. So if you want to use pecans or oats or anything like that, you can make it your way and how you want. These cookies will be light and fluffy and packed with flavor each time. So let's get into the video. So here is where I'm going to add all my ingredients into one bowl, which includes the box cake mix, vanilla cake mix. I'm using a total of 1 cup of chocolate chips, which is the 1/2 cup of white chocolate and 1/2 cup of milk chocolate. I use 1/2 cup of walnuts, and I melted 1/2 cup of butter. So once that's included, I dumped my 2 eggs in there and gave it a stir. And once that was done, I had my perfect consistency for cookies and for them to be really light and really fluffy. So now I'm just gonna prep my cookie sheet by using a little bit of cooking spray or olive oil and rubbing it in with a paper towel just to make sure that those cookies do not stick. So my cookie batter is now ready to go. I'm gonna use a melon scooper, which is a little smaller than actual ice cream scoop. I like the cookies to be just a bit smaller because they're gonna be really, really fluffy. So I take a scoop of my cookie mix and I'll just lay it right there on my cookie sheet. I'll do it about 1 to 2 inches apart when I put my cookies on. And this batter will make at minimum 2 dozen cookies, which is at least 24 cookies from this recipe. Now our cookies are prepped and ready. I put them in the oven, which was preheated at 350, and I set our timer to 12 minutes. And voila, our cookies are out of the oven and they look amazing. So once I take them right out the oven, I put my cookies on a drying rack just to make sure it stops the cooking process on that hot cookie sheet. But they smell so good, and as you can see, they're very fluffy, and they come right off that cookie sheet because we put that oil or that cooking spray down. And there we have it, our walnut and chocolate chip cookies in less than 30 minutes. These cookies are light, fluffy, and packed with flavors. With those melted chocolate chips and that walnut for a bit of a crunch, and that golden brown bottom. If you love this easy recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel to see what else I'm up to. See y'all in the next video.